Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a productive vlog. So this does not mean you're going to see my whole day. I'm literally just going to show you the things on my to-do list that I need to knock out. And it's a Monday. Mondays are usually my day that I do one, house cleaning, and two, any additional chores that need to be done before I return to work. So I have a list here, and we're going to kind of work through it, but I'm going to explain it to you because I'm not going to talk throughout the rest of the day. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing and get things done. Okay, so this is my list. I got to clean is first thing. I always do toilets, sinks, in the bathrooms. I vacuum not only the wood floors, but also the carpets, like the rugs in my bedroom and the living room with the big vacuum. And then I dust the entire house. I also need to clean the coffee maker. It's been a while, and I'll explain that process because we're going to start on that first. And then I have the couch pillows. It's just time. It's time to change away from the winter cozy pillows, and I'm going to put out some brighter ones because we're getting into warmer weather in springtime, and I just want the brighter ones on the couch. I ordered a few things from Amazon a while ago that I really like, but I haven't put them away. They're just sitting in the spare bedroom, so those need to be taken care of. It's supposed to be 70 today and sunny this afternoon, so the plan is to take the dog to the park for a walk. And then I also do one last load of laundry on Mondays, which is usually towels. That way, hopefully I can pull up the kitchen towels as well to be washed. I have a video I need to edit from the other day. And then I need to refill the Q-tip container in the spare bathroom, and I want to prep lunch for the remainder of the week, which will be real quick and easy. And last but not least, trash has to go out today, so I need to make sure I gather trash from all the rooms. So we're going to go start in the kitchen with the coffee maker first because that's a process, so I just like to get started on that right away. I'm just going to explain this to you because this is a longer process, and I'm not going to sit here and film every single step of it. But basically, I want to clean both sides, and the way that I've always done my coffee maker is that I fill each of these halfway with just distilled white vinegar. I run that completely through, and then I will run it, like I'll put the vinegar back in the backside, run it again, but I fill the rest of it with water, and then once that's been run through, then I just do water like 2 or 3 times on each side just to kind of flush any vinegar out, because 1, I hate the smell of vinegar, and 2, I don't like the taste of it, so I just want to make sure it's super duper rinsed out before I make coffee again. So I basically will alternate, so I'll fill up both sides with vinegar, run one, and then when that one's done, I'll run the other because you have to do one at a time. So let's get started with that part.
I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown. So I moved down south, I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting, trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. A piece of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years, you're all I've known. I guess I forgot how to be on my own. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I'm boxing up shit that you left on my nightstand. I have to admit, this is never what I planned. The hoodies, the t-shirts, the handwritten notes, the book from your parents I never let go. You left so much more than your words and your clothes. So I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I know I'm in love with the memory. Gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces. Take me to new places, give my heart a break, yeah. I know I'm in love with the memory. Gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces. Take me to new places, give my heart a break, and I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind.
was on your face and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Call it a wrap on this productive vlog. I pretty much knocked everything off my to-do list. The only thing I have left to do is to fold the low laundry, which is in the dryer, which I'll obviously do, but I'll get that done and then probably finish some more editing. But I do hope you enjoyed. Maybe it motivated you to be productive. I was having some trouble getting motivated lately, so I figured vlogging it was gonna motivate me, and it did. I managed to knock out pretty much everything in about, I would say 3 hours. And now I have the rest of my day to just relax, edit, and watch TV, which is exactly how I like my Mondays. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.